I like to check it all out. Okay. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Yeah, dude, that feels like AC right here. I love it. Dude, you don't get that every day. No. That's awesome. I like that. Is that what you tried to do? Is have a? Is it just the way the box works in the back?
Just the way the box, just to bring to the
I
show.
can feel the AC. It feels so good. I appreciate it. That was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Did you build this?
Prefab.
Prefab. Okay. Still impressive. Yeah.
And it's short on cubic feet because they take 7, and it's got like 6.
Yeah. What 18 is this?
The ZV5.
ZV5. Okay. Awesome.
ZV5 with 45-hour limitless and a 35.1 star.
Okay. And this is at what do you wire to? 1 ohm. Okay. Awesome. That's good. What's your electrical like? You said the limitless.
Limitless 45-hour. I got the
D3100.
The D3100 and just no name alternator. It's a 300. I got off eBay.
Awesome. It works.
Yep.
Okay. Appreciate it, Dimmer. What was your name?
Mack.
Mack. All right, Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Yep. I watch a lot of you, man.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
okay. Well, awesome. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
What is this tuned to?
32.
32. Okay, so it's pretty musical still.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Awesome.
And it's birch.
Yeah.
So,
all right. Can I?
Just a starter system, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, it's pretty good for what it is, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yes,
Thanks for watching as well.
You too, buddy. Have a good one.
You too. I'm gonna get a picture real quick so I can get this up. That way I can see the battery and the amp and all of that. There's the battery. Oh, it opens. Perfect. Thank you. I like to check it all out. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that next. I'll check out everything, man.
Oh, yeah.
I don't care.
Say you're no disgrace to anybody. You don't need to.
That's right. It's all fun, man. It's a car audio hobby. for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.